Hello everyone, today is an exciting small gadget. It's a 9-key smart keypad by VAYDEER. It comes in this neat package. I'm just going to show you unboxing. The rest can be done easily with the instructions, so it explains how you can use it. You can download instructions and the setup files from their website. At the same time, the package itself includes the manual, so you may either download the electronic copy or use the physical copy in here. So this is the keypad itself. It comes in this nice looking box, and the keys are mechanical. Just hear this beautiful sound, and you can map the keys the way you want, and it's pretty straightforward based on the manual that I just looked through. There's a charging cable, so it's USB-C. I'm actually appreciating that more and more manufacturing companies including USB-C cable, because this is my favorite type of cable. And this is the manual itself. It's very detailed. That's what I really appreciate. Here are instructions on how you can download the setup file onto Windows or Mac, and then these are, very detailed instructions. What I also appreciate is the detail into which they go into to explain how you can, map each of the keys, and the letters are really nice to read. They're easy on the eyes. That I also appreciate. So I bought it as a gift. I'm gonna set it up later and see how it works. So far it looks nice, really neat, and the bottoms are rubber, so it's not gonna slide or anything. Yeah, I'm looking forward to testing it and highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.